If you're ready to make some serious money with the power of artificial intelligence, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you 5 secret AI websites that could completely change your financial future. These tools can boost your business, turbocharge your content, and make money while you sleep. Trust me, they're not as well known as they should be, which means there's less competition and more opportunity for you to cash in. So if you're ready to turn AI into your money-making machine, stick around because what I'm about to show you will blow your mind. All right, let's dive into the first tool. And if you've been online recently, you've probably heard of it, ChatGPT. But hold on, don't just scroll away thinking, oh, I know ChatGPT. I get it, it's everywhere. But here's the thing, it's not just a chatbot. This tool is a powerhouse for entrepreneurs, creators, and anyone looking to build a business. Here's how ChatGPT can make you money. Imagine having an AI that can write blogs, create marketing emails, generate social media content, even draft business plans. Basically anything related to writing, but it does it faster and cheaper than hiring a writer. That's the secret. Content is king in today's digital economy, and businesses are spending insane amounts of money on content marketing. ChatGPT helps you tap into that market without breaking the bank. You could offer services like custom blog posts, product descriptions, or even email campaigns to small businesses. Let's say you create a website or social media page where you promote your ChatGPT-powered writing services. Imagine charging a few $100s for blog posts that take just a fraction of the time to create. Not bad, right? But it doesn't stop there. You can use ChatGPT to craft entire marketing campaigns, social media content for influencers, or even generate YouTube scripts like the one you're watching right now. The key is to take this tool and monetize it. You don't have to be an expert writer or a content strategist. With ChatGPT, you've got a writing assistant that can crank out high-quality, SEO-optimized content in no time. And the best part? You don't have to do the heavy lifting. With AI, you're eliminating the need for outsourcing, and you can focus on building up a steady stream of clients. It's an incredibly efficient way to scale up any content-driven business. The best part? You're able to give clients fast delivery with high quality, which makes them more likely to pay you well. And that's where the real money is. Next up, let's talk about Opus AI. If you've ever tried to create and edit videos, you know how much time it takes to get it right. The hours spent trimming, adding effects, and ensuring everything flows perfectly can eat away at your productivity. But what if I told you that you could automate all of this with AI? Well, that's exactly what Opus AI does. Opus AI allows you to upload raw video content and let the AI do all the heavy lifting. From automatic video editing to subtitling and summarizing, it's designed to save you hours of tedious work. Whether you're making YouTube videos, creating marketing content, or crafting social media clips, Opus AI is going to take your editing to the next level. Imagine how much time you could save by using Opus AI's cutting-edge tech. But here's the game changer. Instead of just using Opus for your own videos, you can turn this into a full-fledged business. Picture this. You start a video editing service where you use Opus AI to edit clients' videos quickly and professionally. Content creators, influencers, businesses, and anyone trying to boost their social media presence are always looking for help with their video content. And let's be real, video marketing is one of the most effective ways to grow any business today. Opus AI can help you create high-quality videos in no time, whether it's a simple promo clip or a detailed YouTube tutorial. But here's the best part. The faster you can produce great content, the more clients you can take on. For example, you could even offer specialized packages like YouTube video edits, Instagram Reels, or even TikTok video creation. These types of video services are in high demand. You're essentially providing value at a fraction of the cost of traditional video editors, and with Opus, you can scale your business as much as you want. Think about it. You could even hire other freelancers to manage the client workload while you focus on growing your business. That's the beauty of AI. It allows you to scale effortlessly. Another idea. You could start a YouTube channel dedicated to helping other creators learn how to edit their videos using Opus AI. You could generate revenue through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links while leveraging Opus to do the actual editing for you. That's a win-win scenario if I've ever heard one. Now, moving on to a tool that's perfect for artists, designers, and anyone involved in the world of visuals, Midjourney. If you've ever wanted to create stunning, high-quality images without spending hours in Photoshop, Midjourney is your new best friend. This AI-powered platform allows you to generate realistic, creative images just by typing in a prompt. It's like having your own digital artist that works at the speed of light. Here's how it works. You input a simple text prompt, like sunset over a futuristic cityscape, and within seconds, Midjourney generates beautiful, intricate artwork that you can use for pretty much anything. Whether it's for website designs, social media posts, product branding, or even NFTs, this AI has you covered. So how can you turn this into cash? First, let's talk about the booming world of NFTs. There are people selling AI-generated art for tens of thousands of dollars. And while the NFT market can be unpredictable, there's a huge opportunity to make money by creating and selling digital art. But even if you're not into NFTs, the opportunities are still massive. You could use Midjourney to create logos, graphics, and images for businesses. There are countless entrepreneurs looking for professional designs, but not everyone can afford a top-tier graphic designer. With Midjourney, you can provide high-quality designs at a fraction of the cost and turn a profit by offering custom artwork services. Now imagine you're a small business or a startup. You don't have a huge budget for marketing materials, but you need eye-catching images for your website or social media campaigns. That's where you come in. You can create everything from marketing visuals to custom brand logos, sell those on freelancing sites, or even pitch your services to local businesses. But that's not all. Midjourney has also unlocked the world of print-on-demand services. Use the art you create to design everything from t-shirts to posters and sell them on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or Teespring. This is an amazing way to make passive income, as you don't have to deal with inventory. The best part is that your creations will be unique and generated in just minutes, which makes your product stand out in a crowded marketplace. The AI-generated art you create could easily become the backbone of your online store, with very little upfront investment. This is truly the future of digital art, and you could be cashing in on it right now. All right, now we're diving into something that's perfect for all you audio creators out there, Haiyan. If you're into podcasts, voiceovers, or audiobooks, Haiyan is a must-know tool. This AI converts text into natural, lifelike speech, making it ideal for anyone who wants to add voiceover narration to their content without hiring a professional voice actor. But how does this make you money? Well, just like with Opus AI, there's a huge market for voiceovers. Businesses need voiceovers for everything from explainer videos and ads to e-learning modules. Instead of investing in expensive software or hiring actors, you could use Haiyan to provide voiceover services quickly and affordably. You can even scale by offering voiceover packages for businesses or individual creators. For example, let's say you start offering voiceover services for businesses that need professional-sounding voiceovers for their product explainer videos or online courses. With Haiyan, you can charge competitive rates without the overhead costs associated with hiring a voice actor or investing in recording equipment. What's great is that Haiyan allows you to customize the tone, accent, and pace of the voice so you can cater to a wide range of clients, from corporate businesses to YouTube creators. Alternatively, you could create your own podcast or audio-based content. With Haiyan, you can quickly convert written scripts into audio content, allowing you to produce episodes on the fly, monetize through ads, sponsorships, or even subscriptions. Haiyan makes it incredibly easy to produce high-quality audio content in no time, which means you can focus on scaling your brand or expanding your reach. The AI-generated voiceovers could be perfect for courses, ebooks, and even voice apps, which are all growing industries. This opens up opportunities for a steady income stream, and Haiyan gives you the ability to compete with bigger players without breaking the bank. Finally, let's talk about PhotoRoom AI. If you're into e-commerce, photography, or even just social media content, PhotoRoom is an absolute game changer. It allows you to remove backgrounds from photos, enhance them, and create professional-looking product images, all with the help of AI. For those in the e-commerce space, PhotoRoom is a dream come true. If you're selling products online, you know that high-quality images can make or break a sale. But hiring a photographer or doing the work yourself takes time and money. With PhotoRoom, you can instantly transform any product photo into something that looks like it came straight out of a high-end catalog. Whether you're selling on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon, great photos are essential, and PhotoRoom can help you deliver them at scale. But that's not all. You could offer a photo editing service for businesses that need professional images for their online stores. Just think about it. You could charge a fee per product image or even offer a subscription service for ongoing photo editing work. The possibilities are endless. And, again, you don't need any fancy photography equipment. You don't even need a professional studio. PhotoRoom's AI does all the heavy lifting, and it gives you perfectly edited, ready-to-use images every time. This is a massive time saver, and it's going to allow you to focus on growing your e-commerce business or helping others grow theirs. So, there you have it, 5 secret AI tools that can make you rich. From creating content with ChatGPT to editing videos with Opus AI, generating art with Midjourney, producing voiceovers with Haiyan, and crafting stunning product photos with PhotoRoom, these AI websites are a goldmine for anyone looking to make money online. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert or spend years learning how to use these tools. AI is democratizing the ability to create high-quality content. And all you need is a little hustle and creativity to turn these tools into real income streams. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure you turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos like this one. Drop a comment and let me know which AI tool you're most excited to try out. I'd love to hear how you plan to use them. Until next time, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video.